Basta tandaan lang kids ha, si addition, subtraction, apply mo si left to right sa kanila kung sinong mauna. Ganon din kay multiplication and division. Okay? Apply si left to right. Pero wag nyong ile-left to right, baka mamaya isipin nyo, nasa dulo naman si parenthesis, dito muna is sa unahan. No. Dapat kung yun yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, siya palagi ang nasa una. Nagkakaintindihan tayo? Okay, here. So, before we start, good morning everyone. Meron pa naman 2 minutes before 11. But since, okay, medyo marami naman na tayo, so let's start. So, we're not going to waste some of our time. Okay, so meron tayong activities today and later on after our discussion. Okay, so here. So, before we start, let's have first a recap regarding those fast lessons that we had. Okay, so what do you remember about those fast lessons that we had already? Do you remember those?
PMDAS.
Okay, PMDAS. Actually, yung PMDAS natin, hinapayawan na lang natin yung last time. Okay, that's the one we're going to talk about today. Okay, we're going to talk about more about that PMDAS. Aside from that, what more? Yung tinesting nyo before. Okay, divisibility, di ba? Yes. Okay, so what do you remember about those divisibility? Anong ginagawa natin? Paano sila nasosolve? Paano natin nalaman that those are numbers? Those numbers are divisible by that particular number. Wala, nakalimutan naman. Wala. Paano natin malalaman na yan is divisible by ganyan number? What are we going to do? Yes. Who is this? Zen.
Kapag po kapag po divide natin yung number na yon, tapos po dapat yung makukuha natin yung whole number, wala po dapat na point.
Alright, diba? So dapat whole number, doon natin malaman those are divisible by the particular number. And we have in there those different rules in divisibility, gaya ng 2, 5, 10, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, and 11. So we have those already. Okay? And I do hope that hindi nyo siya makalimutan. Okay, so by today's then, we're just going to proceed with the one we're going to have. Actually, nahapyawan na natin to last time nung nag-test kayo. That would be everything about PMDAS. Okay, now, what do you remember about PMDAS that time? Okay, so we have it here. Nakikita po ba sa screen?
Opo.
Okay, good. So here, so pag sinabi natin PMDAS rules, we are just pertaining to, okay, those acronym which is parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, gaya na napag-usapan na natin last time. Okay, so given two or more operations in a single expression, so that is the PMDAS. Okay, so meron tayong dalawa or more operation na gagamitin in a single expression. Ano yung single expression? Okay, pag sinabi ng single expression, we are pertaining to the equation, yung 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 5, mga ganyan. So that is an expression. So the order of the letters in a PMDAS tells you what to calculate first, second, third, and so on. So ano yung mauuna ba, di ba? So kaya nga ibig sabihin that the PMDAS there, okay, nag-start siya sa letter P, so we are going to start calculating everything about those inside the parentheses. Okay, kung ano yung mga nasa loob ng parentheses, yun muna isolve natin. Then we have to start with the M and D and then A and S until magawa natin hanggang sa pinakadulo. Okay? Now, paano ba natin kinakalculate sa PMDAS here? So makita nyo dito sa screen natin, pinaghiwalay ko yung P, pinagsama ko si M and D and A and S. Why? Okay, first. Okay, so kung meron tayong given, okay, inside the parentheses, yun muna yung unahin po nating isolve. Okay, yun unang calculate natin, compute. Now, once you are done computing inside of the parentheses, then proceed with the multiplication and division. Now, so makikita natin sa rule number 2 is here, apply left to right calculation. Ano yung left to right calculation, sir? Ganito yun. Kapag nauna sa equation natin is divide, mag-divide ka muna. Kung nauna si multiply, mag-multiply ka muna. Okay, yun ang ibig sabihin ng left to right calculation. Okay, kaya nga pinag-iwahiwalay ko sila. So kung anong mauna sa dalawa, yun yun. And the same way with the step number 3, kung anong mauna sa addition and subtraction, yun din muna ang isolve natin. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan that si addition ay pwedeng mahuli kapag nauna si subtraction. Or pag nauna naman si addition, then mahuli talaga subtraction. So yun yung ibig sabihin yan. So magle-left to right tayo kay multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. Okay? So, ganun lang naman siya kasimple. Now, for example is here. Is for example, you have in there 400 divided by 2 times 5 minus 120 plus 5. Okay? So makikita nyo dyan, yung step 1 natin is we have to divide 400 to 2. Okay? So dinivide natin sila. Now, sir, bakit? May multiplication tayo, di ba? Nauna ang M bago ang D. Gagamit tayo ng left to right calculation. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kahit na ito, okay, yung dalawang yan, nauna dyan si multiplication bago si division, since, okay, dun sa PMDAS, since nauna si division dito sa order, so ang gagawin natin dyan ay mag-divide muna tayo bago mag-multiply. Okay, so makikita natin dyan naka-red. So, 400 divided by 2 and our answer is, okay, nakuha natin dyan is 200. Diba? And then the rest of those, okay, digits na hindi natin kinuha kanina, i-copy lang natin. So nakikita natin dyan. Okay? Next one. Since meron tayong multiplication, wag muna tayong mag-proceed dito sa addition and subtraction. So we're going to have 200 times 5. So we got 1,000. And then proceed na tayo dun sa addition and subtraction. But unfortunately, nauna dito si subtraction. So anong gagawin natin? Mag-subtract muna tayo bago mag-add. So 1,000 minus 120, answer is 820. And then go for the last touch, plus 5, that would be 885. So that is how we're going to solve for the PMDAS. Okay? So pagdating kay multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, magle-left to right tayo palagi. Okay? Now, another example is here. Ayan. So, 7 plus 2 times 3 divided by 2. Okay? Now, so we started here. Since may multiplication tayo, yun ang inuna natin. So, we got 6. Yung 7 and divided by 2 is just copied. Next one, we add. Okay? Sorry, we divide. Kasi may division tayo. So, 6 divided by 2, we got 3. And then 7, just bring it down. And then 7 plus 3, we got 10. So, ganun lang naman siya. Okay? So, may katanungan ba tayo dun sa PMDAS? Wala naman. Okay, so I've seen here kanina, may nagsabi, paano yung GEMDAS naman daw, okay? Si PMDAS and GEMDAS goes together. Okay, kasi si PMDAS is parenthesis and GEMDAS is grouping. Since ginugroup na natin sila, habang nagsusolve tayo ng PMDAS, nag-group na rin tayo. Okay, so yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay, now, another example is here. Okay, for our last example, mag-compute tayo. Ayan. For example is we have 100 divided by, close and open parentheses, 18 plus 10 minus 18 times 4. Okay, sir, paano yan? Okay, makikita natin, sir, meron kang nilagay dyan na, okay, dalawang operation inside the parentheses. Anong uunahin natin? Siyempre, kung anong nauna dyan, since addition and subtraction yan, mag-ano tayo, left to right tayo. Ang gagawin natin una dyan is, we are going to solve first 18 and 10. Okay, so let's solve them now. So again, si 100, okay, we're just going to copy. And then 18 plus 10, the answer is 28. Okay, and then we're going to subtract it with 18. Okay, close natin ang parentheses and then we are just going to copy the times 4. There we go. Okay, so, sir, paano yung may start, may naiwan pa tayong isa? Okay, so, anong gagawin natin dyan? Dapat matanggal muna natin ito. Okay, yung parenthesis natin bago tayo mag-proceed dun sa nasa labas. So, again, copy 100. Ganda ng sulat ni sir. There we go. And then, 28 minus 18. Okay, that would be 10. And then copy the remaining one times 4. Okay, so we have in there. Next, since meron tayong multiplication and division there, at nauna si divide, so unahin natin sa pwesto natin si division. Okay? Kahit nauna sa PEMDAS tong si multiply. So let's go there. 100 divided by 10, that would be 10. And then copy times 4. Okay, so 10 times 4 for the final touch, that would be
40 po, sir.
yes, okay, it's 40. Lumampas yung guhit. Wait lang. That would be 40. Okay, and this would be our final answer. Okay? So ganun yung gagawin natin. Okay, so nakasunod po ba tayo? Nasundan ba yung computation natin manually? Please stop chatting. Just show your thumbs up. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, pag sa camera, that is why you have to open your camera. Stop chatting. Okay, so thank you. So malinaw naman. Okay, so kahit ang ganda ng sulat doon sa ano natin, okay, digital whiteboard natin. Okay, so ang ganda-ganda ng sulat. Walang katulad yon. Alright, so ganun lang po ha. Do not bother ha kung sinong mauna kay multiplication and division. Just always keep in mind that, okay, meron tayong left-right computation. Okay? Pero ang isang gagawin nyo dyan na mamamali ka is here. Baka mamay nauna si addition bago si multiplication, tas inuna mo yung addition. Okay, remember that ha. May rule tayo. Okay? So wag tayong magkakanta. Nagkakaintindihan tayo, kids?
Sir, pwede po magtanong?
Yes, go on. Who is that?
Kapag po ba PEMDAS, tapos po walang parenthesis, saka lang po ba gagamit ng left and right?
Even though may parentheses, you can follow the left and right. Okay? You're going to ask me, okay, paano sir pag nasa loob sila ng parentheses, can we use the left and right for the multiplication, division, or addition, subtraction? Yes. Okay, basta make sure lang ha, yung dalawa lang dapat ang mag-left and right. Who is? All right, so any more clarification? Basta tandaan lang kids ha, si addition, subtraction, apply mo si left to right sa kanila kung sinong mauna. Ganon din kay multiplication and division. Okay? Apply si left to right. Pero wag na wag nyong ile-left to right, baka mamaya isipin nyo, nasa dulo naman si parenthesis, dito muna sa unahan. No. Dapat kung yun yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, siya palagi ang nasa una. Nagkakaintindihan tayo? Okay, so any more clarification about PEMDAS?
Sir,
Yes, you can open your mic. Who is that?
gagamitin po yung left and right po lagi.
Yes, apply nyo palagi yun. Pero be
Ibig sabihin-
careful ha.
Gamitin mo na yung division bago yung multiplication.
Not all the time. Kung sinong mauna. Kung mauna si division, then you divide. Di ba? Pero kung nasa unahan si multiplication, gaya na example natin kanina, mag-multiply ka.
Okay.
Same way with subtraction and addition. Any more clarification about PEMDAS? Sure kayo? Wala na ha? Okay, so let's try. I will just be giving you 5 minutes to answer this one. So, do I'm presenting? Okay, I'm presenting. Ayan, so in your paper, you have your paper there with you, or scratch paper, pakilabas nga po, and your ball pen. Okay, meron lang tayong 1 to 3 here, so I will just be giving you there 5 minutes to answer them. Be careful. Ayan, so let's start. Ayan, do you see it now? Okay, so it's here, try me. 1 to 3 lang naman po, then 5 minutes, tapos yan. So it's already 11:13, so 11:18, tapos tayo.
Sir, question lang.
Yeah.
Kapag left and right, mauna ba yung subtraction po?
Kung sinong mauna sa kanila. Okay?
Kapag nauna po yung plus, yan
Mag-plus ka
gagawa
muna.
muna.
Kunwari,
Okay.
may nakalagay dyan, 1 plus 5 minus 4. Unay mo muna si plus kasi nauna si addition eh. Pero kung yung example nakalagay is 4 minus 3 minus 1, plus 1, unay mo si subtraction kasi nauna siya sa pwesto eh. Uha?
Sir, nawala po.
So last 2 minutes for those who are still answering.
Sir, nawala po.
Sir, hindi na po nakikita yung presentation. Presentation niyo po.
Okay, last 1 minute. That's what I said. At 11:18, we're going to check. Okay? So let us see. What is their answer? So for the number 1, anyone can answer there? Sabiniano, can you share your answer with us?
Sir, 40 po. Sa
Number
number
1.
1.
Number 1 is
40.
40. Okay, let us check ha. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 3 is 38 minus 4. The answer is what's the
34.
answer? That is 34, number
34.
1. Okay. So number 1 is 34. Number 2. Okay, so we have in there 1 plus 9 is 10 times 1 plus 1, that would be 11. And next up, number 3.
143 po.
143, is it?
43 po.
Okay, so for the number 3 is 43. It's not 23, it's 43. Okay, here's the answer. So number 1, 34, number 2, 11, and number 3 is 43. Okay, so let us see. Who got, okay, kindly thumbs up, okay, pag narinig yung, yung score nyo.
Sir, hindi ko po maintindihan.
Anong hindi mo naintindihan?
Sir, hindi po gumagana yung
Mauna
ano ko
ba
po, yung camera
yung
ko, sir.
multiplication?
Okay lang yan, sige. Okay,
Mauna
so,
ba yung
Gumagana yung camera ko, sir.
multiplication?
wait lang, Travis, we'll go back to you later on, okay? So here, so sino dyan nakakuha ng 3? Pakishow nga ang thumbs up sa camera natin. Yung hindi gumagana ang camera, sige, okay lang yan. Next time, bawi na lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay, who got 2? 1. May chicken? Wala naman. Okay, so ano yung problema kanina, Travis?
Mauna ba yung multiplication?
Okay,
Kahit
ganito
hindi-
ha. Okay, so as what I said kanina in our discussion, okay? So nakadepende po 'yun. Okay, we're going to apply the left to right computation kapag okay, kahit nauna naman doon si division or multiplication. Okay? So kung alin ang mauna sa dalawa. Like for example is this, okay? Now, nakikita mo ba dyan sa screen mo? Nakikita po ba sa screen? Ayan. So for example, ganito ha. Okay? So meron tayo kasi, let's say you have 1 times 2 plus 4, maganyan. For example. Okay? So may kita mo dyan, we have the multiplication. So wala tayong problema. Okay? So yung problem mo kanina, paano sir pag nagka-standby na sila? Okay? For example is here. Okay? Divided by 1 times 4 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, for example is here. Ayan. So may kita mo dyan, nauna si division bago si multiplication. Di ba sa PMDAS, mag-start muna tayo kay, okay, P, kay parenthesis. Since wala naman tayo nasa loob ng parenthesis, so mag-proceed na tayo dun kay M and D. Okay? So since wala tayo dyan, okay, I mean, walang parenthesis, mag-proceed tayo kay division and multiplication and division. Now, makita mo dito, mas nauna si division. Okay? So, i-apply mo dyan yung left to right. So, mag-start ka dito. So, 1 divide 1, and then isa ka mo isunod si, okay, 1 times 4. Nakuha mo? Ganun siya. Eh, sir, paano kapag nauna si multiply? Di si multiply ka din muna. Ganun lang po siya. The same way here. Okay. Paano yan, sir? Nauna si subtraction. Okay, bago si addition. So, sino unahin ko? Okay, unahin mo muna yung nasa kaliwa, which is subtraction, and then go to your final touch, which is addition. Okay? Nakuha? Nakuha ba yon? Yes, then.
Sir, paano ko po kung hindi sila magkakadikit? Kunwari po, 1 divided by 1 tapos po minus 4.
Okay, doesn't matter. Basta kung sino yung nauna. Kuha? Kung sino yung nauna. Kunwari may pagitan, di ba? 1 divided by 1 plus 4 times 1. Maganyan. So since nauna si divide, mag-divide ka muna. Saka mo isunod si addition. Kuha po ba? Ay, sorry, multiplication. Okay? Basta mag-left to right kayo palagi pag meron tayong combination ng division and multiplication. Ganon din sa addition and subtraction.
Sir,
Alright, so yes.
mauna yung multiplication sa at division sa addition at subtraction.
Opo, mauna muna ang process ni multiplication and division bago ka mag-add and mag-subtract. Okay po? Pero gaya ng sabi ko, kapag meron tayong combination ng addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division, mag-left to right po tayo. Any more clarification? Wala naman na po. Okay, so here, stop chatting now. Okay, so again, may I have in here your paper, your notebook, and your ball pen or your pencil. And let's have this activity. Actually, it's just an exercise. Okay, so 1 to 5, it's already 11:24. So dapat 11:35 tapos po tayo. All right, kids? So let's start. Nakikita po ba? Nakikita po, hindi?
Kita po.
Okay.
Kita po.
All right. Thank you.
Sir, question.
So 11:35, we're going to check, ha?
Sir, question.
Yes.
Sa number 1 ba mauna yung plus or yung division or yung minus o yung
Anin po?
wala po.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko pa nasulat yung question.
Opo.
Sir, yung equation.
Make it fast. Okay, so it's ready 11:29. So hanggang 11:35 po yung binigay kong time para masagutan nyo po yan. Okay? So 11:35, dapat tapos na po lahat. I wanna share her answer or his answer number 1.
Sir, ako sir.
Ako
Okay.
na, sir.
Sige na, Kiana Stasio. Can you share with us your answer number 1? Answer? Okay, so number 1 is 52. Kindly check. Okay, for next number 2, we have in there Jaren Kolima. Kindly have your answer here. Share with your classmates. Jaren. Jaren Kolima. For number 2, we have walang sagot. Okay, so we have 17 as what your classmates shown on their chat box. Okay, so the answer number 2 is 17. That is good. Number 3, Zen, go on.
21.
Okay, that is correct. Number 3, 21. Number 4, Scarly.
Wala na pong sagot. Hanggang doon lang po ako
Bakit?
sa
Hindi mo na kopya?
Namali po yung ibang pong calculation ko po. Kaya po
Okay.
inulit ko.
All right. Sige, next time, bawi. Okay, so for the number 4, okay, your classmate chose in there, that is 73. And finally there, si Masho, number 5.
22, sir.
Okay, it's 22 for number 5. Okay, so again, answers here are 52, 17, 21, 73, and 22. So those are the answers. Okay, now, kids, I just wanted to remind you, every time that we are having an activity, you are not allowed or you should not post any of your answer in the chat box. Okay? At the same time, habang nagsasagot yung mga kaklase ninyo, dapat walang naglalagay ng sagot sa chat box. Okay? Mag-antay na kayo ang matawag. Tandaan po yan ha. Okay, so stop chatting. Okay? Now, so you have in there, so 1 to 5, there's 1 to 5 activity. So just save your score. Okay, pakisave lang ang score ha. Now, in our Google Classroom, okay, sa classwork, andun na po yung another activity, which is activity number 4. Now, in the activity number 4, naka-ano lang siya, picture types. Anong gagawin po natin is here. You can copy it in your paper or okay, you can make a screenshot of it or you can make a picture of it. And then after that, okay, you have to compute, solve using PMDAS rule, and you have to encircle your final answer. All right?
Ano po yun?
So nasa ano natin, Google Classwork natin sa math. So ganun lang siya. Now, in your paper, pag gagawin nyo sa papel, picturean nyo and then isend nyo, i-turn in nyo dun sa Google Classwork din natin. Nakukuha po ba yon? Okay, dun lahat ipapasa
Sir,
ha.
anong isi-send?
Yung activity number 4 natin. Okay, available na siya sa Google Classroom natin. Andun na.
Iko-complete mo po siya?
Yes, I wanted to see the solution.
Nakita ko na, sir.
Yun, so active na siya ha. Okay, so anyways, already 11:38. So that's it for today, guys. And see you again
Sagutan
next
mo,
week.
sir.
Okay, yes, you can start answering with it right now.
Sir, question.
Yes.
Sa Google Slide,
Ano po yung correct answer sa kanina?
Anong kanina?
Yung
Anong
correct
number?
answers. 1 to 5.
1 to 5. Okay. Okay, for number 1, that's 52. Okay, you're chatting it down. Number 2, 17.
slide.
Number 3 is 21. Number 4 is 73. And number 5 is 22. Okay na, Marion?
Opo.
Okay,
Sa
good. So yun.
Google Slide,
Now,